Today we're going to bring a large solar panel for your outdoors. This is a street light. Now included with it, they give the screws, all right, the mounts for if you have concrete or any if you have any brick that you want to set up, but this is compatible with any wood structure too. The actual tube itself has a extra reinforcement underneath of it. If you're going to put it to a pole, this is included. Now let's take a look at the actual light itself. All right, on the light fixture itself, it's a very large light. All right, there's an on and off and the sensor button here. Now the controller itself mimics the same things that you can do. Now there's different scenarios here. There's for any kind of movements, this is the radar here, and then 3 to 8 hours, 3, 5 and 8 hours in auto. This will be on and off through the day and night mode. On and off, if you want to turn it off for any occasion, it's up to you. Control takes about 2 AAA batteries. We're going to set it up and see how well it looks at night and in the day. We're going to shine this whole place up here. The post is about 12 feet high. The light's going to get this light going. We haven't turned it on yet. We're going to let the sun rays continue to charge, and then we're going to turn it on at night, and we're going to show you the control, how it works with it. So let's go ahead and come back at night and see how beautiful the light looks. All right, so this is the light during the night, and if you guys can see, the sensor just turned off, just motion sensor. So it dims down for a couple minutes, and then as soon as you walk in front of it, it turns on. So I like the sensor, and we do have a controller here. We're going to turn it off completely so you guys can see how dark it is. So I got to be pretty much a little bit closer. So let me go to do that. So there's a light, it dimmed down, it lights up this entire area. See, if there's no motion, you could just walk a little bit, just a little bit, and then it works because of the sensor. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.